Hello everyone and welcome to today's class, and today's title is Mukbang Madness. Let's start with the warm-up questions. 1번. What is your favorite YouTube channel? 가장 좋아하는 유튜브 채널 뭐예요? I don't really have one. I'm a YouTuber. But I actually don't have a favorite YouTube channel. However, I do watch a lot of YouTube channels related to cooking, butchery, sport. Those kind of things are things that interest me. 2번. Do you watch any mukbang channels? 먹방 채널을 봐요? No. Mukbang is not my kind of style of entertainment. I love watching food channels, but not the specific ones where people sit in front of a camera and eat, especially the ASMR ones. I just don't find any interest in it. Now, let's look at the vocabulary and repeat after me. 1번. Get hooked. Get hooked. Get hooked. 푹 빠지다. Africa Yoon, originally named Suzanne Engo, lost 50 kilograms and met the Korean man of her dreams after getting hooked on kimchi and the joys of Korean cooking. Become addicted to something. 2번. Guilty pleasure. Guilty pleasure. Guilty pleasure. Guilty pleasure. But the world of Korean food has an unhealthy side full of guilty pleasures and worse. So a guilty pleasure is something that one enjoys despite knowing that it is bad for you. 3번. Interaction. 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 교류루. But his videos weren't particularly popular, and he found that his interactions with other members in the vegan community were often unpleasant. So, interaction is communication or conversation. 4번. Expressly. 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 특별히. So most mukbang videos have a kind of relaxing quality to them, but Nico Cato's videos seem expressly designed to make the viewer uncomfortable. Intentionally or for an exact purpose. 5번. Shovel down. Shovel down. Shovel down. He shovels down huge amounts of Korean noodles, massive bags of cheeseburgers, and one episode, a honeycomb with live bees in it. So, 개고스럽게 먹다. To greedily eat. To eat a lot in usually a short amount of time as well. 6번. Mound. 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 도미. He shovels down huge mounds of Korean noodles, massive bags of full of cheeseburgers, and one episode honeycomb with live bees in it. Crazy, crazy man. So basically a large pile. That was the preview section. Now let's move on to the review section.